morning, this terrific Tuesday, everybody. It's your girl WHITT with another WHITT session. I'm so excited today, and I have my friend over here looking at me like, what's a WHITT session? I'm so glad you asked. A WHITT session is a pop-up interview in a pop-up location with a surprise guest, and I am here in Hammond, Indiana. Highland, Indiana, with one of my good buddies, Nikia Sprouse of Integrated Body and Medicine.
Yes.
Nikia doesn't want to be here. I'm just going to start with that. And I want to thank her for letting me strong arm her into telling this amazing story. And at the conclusion of this video, I'm going to be doing something medically. So you got to watch for the whole thing to see what WHITT is going to get here at Integrated Body and Medicine. How are you feeling, Nikia?
I am okay, Chelsea. We had to draw straws with the staff to see who's going to be on camera today, so I lost.
You lost,
so
but in a way, you won, my friend. Trust me, because many of the people who are going to watch this video or who are tuned in live have been receiving your newsletters. I have been sending these out.
You.
And I thought, okay, they're getting the information. They may be calling in, but it was time to have a conversation with you, Nikia, on exactly what integrated body and medicine is, because sometimes people will read something and say, oh, that's not for me, or they don't have services I need, until they hear the full story and say, wait a minute, I may need to head over to Highland, and that's really why I'm here today, because I have an appointment. So, Nikia, can you give us a broad overview? What is integrated body and medicine?
Basically, what it says in the name. So we're an integrated medical office, but the core of our practice, of our treatment, is your core body, your spine. So we're primarily a chiropractic office. However, we do have a physical therapy program. So we have a doctor of physical therapist. We also have a nurse practitioner, and we have a massage therapist, and then we have assistants in the office to help with getting your body and helping you feel better, live better. That's basically what we do here.
I love it. And when I first walked in, everybody, let me tell you, it is jumping out there. We're in one of the back offices, but out there, there's a full physical therapy area. People are pedaling and stretching, and they have the balls and things like that. So talk about some of the types of things that happen with physical therapy.
So with the physical therapy, of course, you'll come in if you're feeling any kind of tension. So the physical therapy aspect of it is pretty much muscular.
Okay.
If you can't move your arm, if your neck is hurting, if you're on your cell phone too long and you getting tech neck, that's what they call it.
Oh wow.
If you're
have that too.
if you're having knee issues, just struggling, the standard physical therapy. But our physical therapist, her specialty is she does a lot of neuro patients. She works with pelvic pain.
Okay.
So women who are having issues with their pelvic floor, she specializes in that as well.
Okay.
But you're getting your standard treatment. We do the therapies. We do ice and stem and heat if necessary. We have ultrasound. And we just have a number of different modalities and therapies in the office to help.
So I was in the office last week and did a full tour, and I invite each and every one of you to also make an appointment, make some time to come and take a visit and get some services from here, which we aren't finished talking about. But what's the address for those who are just tuning in?
So we are at 8145 Kennedy Avenue. If you are familiar with Highland, the Plaza Lanes Bowling Alley, we're right in the middle. So you can come check us out. Definitely, we are appointment only, so call us if you want to make an appointment.
Okay.
We
What's
have
that number?
219-803-6630.
Okay.
And so we have a number of different, things in the office to do. And like I said, our core is our skeleton. So we do have chiropractic services. Our chiropractor is voted #1 chiropractor in the region, Dr. Ahmad Sprouse.
See how she said that? That's her husband, y'all.
My husband is Dr. Ahmad Sprouse.
Okay.
He is an awesome chiropractor. He is specialized in Webster technique for pregnant moms who may be experiencing discomfort. Webster technique is not a breech turning technique for babies, but it is to help with your pelvic, just to make sure that you're, more healthy and more comfortable when you're going through that.
So I have a question for you, and this is really more so for my husband, because in his mind, he's a chiropractor, and he's always like, baby, let me crack your back, let me crack your back. So do you, exactly, I'm like, no, there is education that comes with this and
Yes.
certification. But so, do you get that benefit though, that he knows the pressure point?
Yes.
Right. Oh
Yes.
my gosh, you are so blessed.
I am, and when I tell you, all of my staff are blessed too. I was having a knee issue the other day because I thought I could jump rope again.
Okay.
But we'll talk about that later. And you know, I was walking funny, and one of my staff, she was like, "What's wrong? Lay down." And I was like, "My knee is hurting," and she was like, "Right there." I was like, "Yes, right there."
Oh my goodness.
So my staff is amazing. The medical team is amazing, and we work together. We try to get to the root cause of things. We also have a functional medicine segment here where we get some blood work done. If you're struggling with an issue that you had for a while and you just have not been getting results, we get some blood work done because we try to get to the root cause of things.
Yeah.
And we get a health assessment from you just to see what your symptoms are and what has been going on. And we try to help. We offer nutritional supplements here. We take a more holistic, natural approach.
Yes,
to
that's what I wanted to drill at,
Yes.
the holistic piece of your business, which I'm here for today, kinda. So
Yes.
talk a little bit about that holistic approach.
So we use a number of different supplements. We use biotic research products as well as Biotron. A lot of times with the prescription medicine that you get, it may be masking what's going on and not getting to the root of what's going on. The vitamins that we have here, or the supplements that we have here, are all natural, no side effects. A lot of the vitamins that you buy over the counter, off the shelf, have fillers.
Really?
Yes, and so they may not be as effective as they could be.
Okay.
And so we just want to make folks aware, just kind of be careful, make sure you read the labels when you're getting your vitamins and your supplements, because, they're cutting costs.
They're cutting
They are-
corners, cutting costs.
Yeah.
Well, I have really learned something today. Again, if you're just tuning in, welcome, welcome. I'm chatting. And see,
Hello.
she's doing a great job. We're with Nikia Sprouse. Folks kill me talking about, I don't want to be on camera. And then when we get the rolling, you're giving us all this great information. You're helping somebody today, Nikia. I just want to tell you that.
Carefully, yes.
We are integrated body and medicine here in Highland, Indiana. So the last aspect that really got my attention, obviously, as you know, as friends, that I continue to be on my weight loss journey and really just trying to be healthy. The weight loss piece is more secondary versus the self-care and feeling good. And
Yes.
so when I was taking the tour with you here last week, you talked to me about the weight loss and the body imaging piece that you all offer here. And so I wanted to save the best for last because that's what I'm all about, and some of that I'll be getting into today. So can you talk to us
Yes.
about that program?
We realize we have a lot of patients who come in, they may suffer from knee issues. So we do knee injections as well, but a lot of times they do want to get physically fit. But some of their ailments may prevent them from doing exercise.
That's it.
A lot of times they're looking to get surgeries, and doctors are like, well, in order for me to do the surgery, you need to lose 10, 20, 30 pounds. But their back hurts, their knee hurts, they just have a lot of other things going on.
Yeah.
And they can't get the surgery because they have to lose the weight first. So here, we do offer a number of different things in the office to help kind of speed that process along.
Okay.
We do have a full weight loss program. Our case manager, Michelle, she's awesome. And we'll do a consultation, get the ball rolling. But in addition to that, we do have contour light therapy. Chelsea, you're really excited about that.
Contour light therapy.
And
What
so
is that?
Basically, you focus in a particular area. It's kind of like targeting the fat cells in the area to help, quote unquote, and I don't say kill them off, but basically open them up and kind of drain them off to help with the weight loss process. We supplement that with our metabolic cleanse. We have a metabolic detox system here that is amazing from Biotics research. A lot of times folks want to lose weight, they're working out, they may have some stubbornness where the pounds are just not falling off.
Yes.
So that metabolic cleanse basically cleanse you so you can get all the gooky stuff out, all the chemicals from all the environmental factors from Northwest Indiana that we have.
So many.
And so you're detoxing. It's about a 15-day detox. And you kind of want to get all that look out so your body can respond to what you're trying to do.
Right. The
You
workouts
want to,
and all those types
you want
of
to
things.
lose 10 to 20 pounds. Well, we need to clean you out first before we can be successful in that. And so with that, we do have the red light therapy. You can come in and do a couple sessions. We do have a website for that. It's called indianacontouring.com. If you want to get more information
they're going to call you, trust me. They're like, Chelsea, you were talking to somebody about losing weight. What's that number? But I really like the aspect when you talk about getting prepared for surgery. I don't know how many people I've talked to where they say, my doctor said, we could do the procedure when you lose 20 pounds.
Yes.
Or, my knees hurt because you're carrying all this weight on your knees. And so it all is relative, it's all connected. And the last piece, the one that I really was perked up about was, I'm gonna just speak for myself in that menopause area, age now, we have different things that happen to our bodies and our energy levels. I used to be the Energizer Bunny and everybody's like, you're everywhere, and it's a front, y'all. I'm sleepy right now. It seemed like as soon as I hit my 50s, it was like, what is going on? I'm so tired. It's time to go to bed, and it's only 7:30 at night. But there are some things that we can do medically from that standpoint, too. Talk about what I'm getting today.
So you mentioned menopause. A lot of women go through menopause, early menopause. We do have supplements for that, and I'll get to where Chelsea was going. So we definitely have our nutritional supplements, and so they address some of those issues as well. To complement those, we do have B12 shots in our office. We have the regular B12s. We do lipo B12s as well. The lipo B12s help boost your metabolism, and we supplement that as well as on our weight loss program.
Nice.
We do IV vitamin infusions. That is amazing. If you ever heard about IV vitamin hydration infusions, we do those as well.
It's like an oil change for the body, isn't it? It's I come out of here feeling so good.
We set you up in this room. This is our Botox room. We do Botox as well. This is our Botox room, our IV vitamin infusion room. You sit in here, relax. We have a television for you to watch. But definitely it helps boost energy, especially if you're feeling sluggish. Sometimes you need that boost, and it's easier to get it intravenously. As far as the IV goes, but Chelsea today is just going to get a regular B12 shot.
A little boost, y'all.
A little boost.
I'm ready. I am so excited. I know you all are intrigued, like, what are you out here doing? I'm in Highland, Indiana, everybody, with Nikia Sprouse of Integrated Body and Medicine. I love the word integrated, because you're doing a combination of things to serve the whole body. I love it. So as we get ready to get out of here, can you please give all your contact information again and the procedure on making an appointment?
Awesome. So we are Integrated Body and Medicine. Also want to say that we do have Kennedy Avenue Chiropractic here as well. We jointly work together. So if you see those names, they are in the same location. They're in the same building. The best chiropractor in Northwest Indiana is Kennedy Avenue Chiropractic, but Integrated Body and Medicine is here. We're integrated together to get to the root cause of things, get you feeling great. And may I add, we have been voted best in the region 4 years in a row.
Yes.
So please remember us when those contests and voting time comes along. But we are located in Highland, Indiana, 8145 Kennedy Avenue. Telephone number, if you are looking to make an appointment, is 219-803-6630. And you can check us out on Facebook, our webpage. Just give us a call. We take most insurances. We take Medicare. We take private insurance, cash patients. Unfortunately, we do not take state insurances. So the Medicaids from Indiana and Illinois, we unfortunately do not take.
Okay.
But we are here to help.
I am excited. So as we get ready to wrap this video up, this WHITT session with Nikia Sprouse, so I can get over here and get my B12 booster. I'm so excited. And I just also want to say, as a fellow entrepreneur, congratulations.
Thank you.
I am so proud of you. I've watched your growth. You and I have been friends a couple of years now.
Yes.
And the growth makes me happy, and that God is showing favor on you and your husband, and may this continue to be the case.
Thank you.
You have been watching a WHITT session, which is a pop-up interview in a pop-up location with a surprise guest. I'm your girl, WHITT, always on the go, bringing you the information that you need to know. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.